Hi. So today we've completed a very exhaustive workshop on Nimai Hospitals, the current brand that we are talking of, which is a very unique franchise model, amongst the best hospital franchise models in India, that I would say that could be very prospective for people who are looking at getting into the healthcare industry. So here with me is the entire team of Nimai Hospitals, all the way from Maharashtra. We'll hear from them in terms of what their feedback has been in terms of this entire franchise model discussion that we've had today, and what has been their key takeaways from this session. So over to you, Dr. Santosh Madrevar.
Today the day was of learning, and although we are running the franchisee model, today we understood different dynamics of the franchises, what should be done in particularly, and also we came to know from Mr. Amit Naharji different strategies that we need to implement and correct, and also very happy to know that he also recommended it as a franchisable model. Thank you.
Yes. Yeah.
Myself, Dr. Sandeep. It was really a wonderful learning day today. Special take-home message is his emphasis on the training, pre and post-training sessions, and definitely, as he said, in order to have a scalable franchisee model, whatever intricacies are there, those were opened up today, and it was a very wonderful learning session.
Great, thank you. Yeah, Gopish, something that you felt was your takeaway.
Actually, I am new in this business, but I learned too many things which I don't even, I think I don't understand properly everything, but I learned too much from today's session.
Great. It will all come to you. As you keep progressing, as you keep learning, it will all come to fall in place.
Hey, hi, good evening. Myself, Madhav. See, before start of the sessions, we are having the few questions and we are having few requirements that we put in front of Mr. Nahar. And basically, Mr. Nahar has cleared it up something, what are the roadblocks are there. So few take up from this session is that we should have different website and how to do the marketings, and especially on the differentiation on this how to invest and other parts. So I feel before morning we are a little bit nervous, and now with Mr. Nahar's words we are having with our confidence that boost up, and we are sure that we are going to be successful with this franchisee model. Thank you, Mr. Nahar.
Yeah, so generally what happens is that, ideally there is a certain thought process that a franchisor has, and the franchisor thinks that it's doable, they know that it's doable, but somewhere down the line they need that absolute clarity as to what will happen at every bend, and there are blind corners. You have to navigate those blind corners, you have to understand what happens, and hopefully we've covered some ground today. This is going to be an extended exercise, it will take time for us to get to a certain point, but I'm glad that we made this start, and with this team I'm very confident that this could really get to a flying start, and possibly we'll try and make this as one of the biggest hospital franchise models in India in the times to come. I am very hopeful of that. We look forward to taking this forward. Thank you.